What are you up to, Sophia? Are you picking on your big brother and Cooper? Hi, Sophie. It's okay. Sky, you want to make sure everything's okay there, huh? Sky plays referee. Sky, go tell Cooper to be mellow. Tell Cooper to be mellow. Cooper? Good boy, Sky. Tell Cooper to be mellow. Are they playing? You gonna tell them to calm down? Calm down, boys. Like the Three Stooges. He says, enough already. Enough. Aspen? What do you think, honey? You just want me to hold you? I think they're being gentle. Aspen. Aspen. Whoa. Whoops, sorry. Cooper? Hey, Coop! Coop! Can you sit? Cooper! Cooper, sit! Cooper, sit! Good boy.